Hello, fellows. It's another weekly recap. So this week was very choppy, but I took a trade. I took two trades. Both of them were wins. So let's get into it and let's start from today's day. I didn't trade today. We have a very good reaction here to the upside. We moved a lot. We didn't have any good retracement. Um, Only here, but I wasn't confident enough in this retracement because before uh, this week we didn't see good reaction after this retracements. Market moved a lot, then it starts consolidating all the time this week. It was usual this week, so I wanted to see a better reaction, but uh, then I didn't get into the trade because the market just moved a lot higher, and there were not there were no good entries. So yeah, I didn't trade today because I wasn't confident enough in this retracement. This is accumulation, expansion, retracement, expansion model. I can take I can take a trade in this model, but in good conditions. Nowadays, conditions are not good for me. I don't like them. So yeah, yesterday I took a trade. Oh, yesterday. Wait a second. No, here, here. Yesterday I took a trade. So market opened. We swept all this liquidity, low resistance liquidity. We swept this low. I didn't expect that we would sweep it, but we did. So that was good. Then I saw a good reaction here after we broke structure to the upside. FVG reaction. Then I get into the trade here or here. Stop loss was here. I targeted just this high because we had uh, equal highs on SPX as I can remember. So somewhere here was mitigation, not mitigation, midnight open, and I took a partial here and moved my stop loss to this mitigation block after we displaced here. And I got stopped out here. Market was consolidating all AM session. Then I took another trade on PM session here. We displaced above these equal highs. We had a good reaction after FVG, 1 minute FVG, and then after 3 minute FVG or even 5, and we moved all the way to these highs. That was my target, and yeah, I took a partial here. This is a 60 or 65, maybe 70, not 70, 65% of this whole range. I got, I took a partial here, and yeah, that's the only two trades I took this week. Also, both of them on AM session was I cut risk as it was already 10, 10, 10, 10, 10:50 a.m. and we moved a lot to the upside. I wasn't confident enough to to take a trade with full risk as market conditions are not good. All week we were consolidating after big moves. So yeah, I cut risk. That was a good decision. I think so. Um, yeah, PM session I took a trade with with full risk. Then on Wednesday, I didn't trade because that was uh, a day with a very important news. FOMC. Um, I forgot the word. Wait a second. Rates decision. I didn't trade because of that. This is a prohibited by my rules. I don't trade when of FOMC um, makes a decision in these days. And before these 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, market was very choppy, and there was no trades for me. My model uh, didn't appear these days, and I'm not gonna show you because I can't, or I can. Okay, I can. So 9 a.m. we were consolidating. PM session we were consolidating. Then then Tuesday we market opened. We moved lower. So we were consolidating, and this day too. At least my bias was long. I had a long bias, as I can remember, and we didn't move to the upside a lot. And that was a bad day for me. We didn't have any good reaction. Um, Not my model. On Wednesday, as I said, FOMC news. Yesterday, I took it. I took 2 trades, and today I wasn't confident enough in what market did. So that retracement looks good in normal conditions. I wasn't confident because of the conditions of the market, but if that is a good trade, so something like that is a good trade to RR. So yeah, now I understand that market probably will be better next week because we we have a pretty good 2 days, last 2 days, yesterday and today, and so we'll see. But I think that next week will be better than that week because I don't know, I just feel like that. We have a good reaction here, not reaction, good days yesterday and today. Not really good, but better than it was. Oh yeah, we'll see. Have a good day. Have a good weekends. Good luck, and see you next time. Bye bye.